Hello from us. Greetings from Adisco Farm International. So, as you can see, this is dried cassava peels. Very dried cassava peels, as you can see. So, this is what we'll give our goats as breakfast. And the reason why we choose to give them in the morning is because cassava peels is just like an heavy food for goats, just as human that we don't want to take heavy food at night. So we choose to give them this at the morning so they can exercise around in the afternoon, so this can digest before they go and sleep at night. So that's the reason why we choose cassava peels. Cassava peels is very good and a form of energy for goats. So if you are choosing this, try and put it in the morning routine. See, they are brushing it. That shows you the love cassava peels. That shows you the value of cassava peels. As you can see, they are brushing it.